And very good morning to all of you. Welcome to St. Thomas High School online classes. So, in last session, we have completed our activity number 3, activity number 4, and activity number 5. Still remaining, say whether the true or false. First, we will complete that true or false. Then we will go towards activity number 2. So first, M.S. Subbalakshmi started the first music school in India. True? No, it is not true. It is false. Who started first music school? It was started by Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. Subbalakshmi was the coel? No, because she is known as the Nightingale of India. The first gramophone record of India was made in Mumbai. No, it was made in where? Calcutta. See here that Thomas Edison, Calcutta, which was called gramophone. So here wrong is there. False. Gandharva Mahavidyalaya was set up by the Pandit Palushkar. Yes, it was set up by Pandit Palushkar. See here. Okay. Then also I will send a PDF note of this. Just we will discuss this. Now moving towards to activity number 2. So I have given you now. I have told that I will give the name. So two groups are there, but here we cannot do this. So just I am giving the names of Indian musical instrument and Western musical instrument. Now Indian musical instrument, what will come? Tabla, harmonium, veena, sitar. All these are coming in Indian musical instrument. Whereas in Western, what is coming? Xylophone, guitar, piano, like that. Okay, just we need to discuss this. So now activity number 6. Look at these pictures related to music. Choose the right word for each picture from the words given in the bracket. So first is that many audience are there and singers are also there. So what? They are performing live, but it is known as concert. So here you have to write concert. Second is there many type of instrument is there. Piano is there, guitar is there. Then what? Drum is there. Many things is there. It is known as orchestra. So third and fourth, what is there? Accompanist and live performance, because they are live performing, and accompanied means those who first back is the third one, then is accompanied, thus they are playing music but they do not sing, and fourth is there is a live performer. Okay. Now activity number 7. Here are two news items published in English newspaper. Read the news and write a paragraph on music therapy. So, music therapy in the kitchen. First, January 9, 2014. Listening to music while cooking takes away the boredom from this everyday activity. Means if your life is getting bored, so listening to music, it feels very better. Listening to good music is always a pleasant experience, means very beautiful experience. Listening to music while working in the kitchen and doing chores make it a more relaxing experience. So while you are working in a kitchen and listening to music, then it feels like very pleasant, very good, and it makes us relaxing. So first is music therapy in the kitchen. Second is music therapy is soon in government hospital. May 1, 2012, TNN, Shimoga. The state government has decided to bring music therapy in government hospital also. Health Education Minister announced this is in Shimoga on Monday. The program will be introduced in government hospital in Shimoga, Bangalore and Mysore. So what government also decided that music therapy should be there. So what person get relaxation? Where? In Shimoga, Bangalore and Mysore. So in government hospitals this program is there. So this is a music therapy which feels us relaxing, pleasant and this. Now activity number 8. Read the passage. According to legend, once the Mughal Emperor Akbar heard about the wonderful effect of Raga Deepak. So what happened one time? Akbar king is there, you know very well that he heard the effect of Raga Deepak. He was fascinated by this idea, wasn't he? He was fascinated by this idea and asked his court musician Tansen to sing Raga Deepak, the rag of fire. That what then he told that asked to Deepak that he sing Raga, the Raga of fire. So what the Raga of fire will there? Then fire will become like that. Tansen was a great musician. He knew the raga, but he also knew that it will create an instant fire effect in singer's body. However, since the emperor wanted it, he had to sing the raga. So Raga Deepak is a one type of rag. Raga and Tala I showed you first. So what? Tansen is a great musician. So Akbar told Tansen that you sing the raga of fire. Then Tansen also knew that it created an instant fire effect in singer's body. However, since the emperor wanted it, he had to sing the raga. He knew that fire will become in singer's body. But what? Tansen thought that if Akbar is telling this, he have to do only. Tansen sang it in a wonderful manner. So very pleasant, very wonderful manner he sang. The effect was such that all the lamps in the courtyard light up by themselves. So all the lamps in courtyards were there. If Tansen is singing a song, then all the bulbs light up by itself only. No need to switch on or off. Itself only they light up. But Tansen's body becomes so hot that he had to sit in the nearby river to cool himself. So that raga is what? That he become very hot. And the nearest, this much fire will create that all the bulbs light up by itself also. So, but Tansen's body was too hot. So, he have to sit near the river. So, by sitting near river, it will become will cool. So that he sat by near river. However, the river water began to boil and it was clear that Tansen would soon boil to death. Oh, what happened now? That he was too much hot that the river water will also become boil. And he will be dead because that much boiled is there. And all rivers are also becoming boil. Tansen knew that the body can be cooled only if someone sings Raga Malhar to bring showers of rain. So Tansen also knew that if someone, he sang a Raga of fire, okay? That different types of Raga is there, Raga Deepak and Raga fire. Then he told that if someone will speak Raga of Malhar, Malhar is also a rag to bring showers of rain. So first what? Tansen sing the Raga of fire. From that what? Fire will come out. Now this is the Raga Malhar which brings showers. First is fire. Now this brings the showers of rain. He set out on a search to find someone who could sing Raga Malhar to cure him. If someone will speak Raga Malhar, then only he will not die. Otherwise he will die because too much hot is there. If someone will speak Raga Malhar, then rain will come, so he can be saved. In due course he reached Vadnagar in Gujarat, where he found two sisters Tana and Riri, who could sing Raga Malhar. So he searched in villages. So in Vadnagar in Gujarat, he found two sisters are there. First is Tana, second is Riri, who could sing Raga Malhar. Tanchan asked for his help. They agreed to sing Raga Malhar to cure him. He told that please help me, I want to save because my life will go if someone will not speak Raga Malhar. So what? Then after they both sister Tana and Riri agreed to make cure him. Tana and Riri were also great musicians. When they sang Raga Malhar, rains came down in torrents which cooled Tansen's body and saved his leg. So they both started to sing Raga Malhar. So what? They are also a good musician, great musician. So rain came out. So rain came out and which cooled the Tansen. First he was hot na, then it cooled the Tansen and his life was saved. Thus, this is a story of Tana and Riri, both two sisters. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss activity number 9. Thank you children.